The magnificent silver pheasant takes great care of its striking plumage.
After weeks of incubation, the chick finally breaks free. It is a strenuous process, but essential for survival.
Huddled beneath the safety of the rocks, the chicks rely entirely on their mother's vigilance.
The female brown pheasant relies on her camouflage as she forages in the misty mountain landscape.
The male silver pheasant meticulously preens its striking plumage, a vital behavior for maintaining feather condition and attracting a mate.
This female, or hen, maintains her feathers through careful preening, a vital task for survival in the dense forest habitat.
Using her strong beak and feet, the hen scratches through the leaf litter in search of vital insects and seeds.
Deep within the bamboo forest, the hen builds her sanctuary, ensuring the safety of her future brood.
Scratching vigorously, the brown pheasant searches for seeds and insects among the dry leaves.
With the mother gone, the two precious eggs are vulnerable to the many dangers of the forest floor.
While preferring dense forest, these pheasants often vent close to human structures, such as this concrete barrier, in search of food. The male silver pheasant is unmistakable with his long, barred tail.
The banded crate, a nocturnal hunter, moves silently across the forest floor in search of its next meal.
Day 6, and the brown pheasant ensures her clutch is complete before settling in for the long wait.
The female brown pheasant spends her day meticulously foraging on the forest floor, relying on camouflage for safety.
The silver pheasant's courtship display is a spectacle of color and sound, essential for the cycle of life to continue.
The female pheasant returns to her clutch of 5, ensuring their warmth and safety during the critical incubation period.
Here we see the brown pheasant meticulously arranging her eggs on day 10 of incubation.
The female pheasant must remain vigilant, protecting her clutch of 5 eggs deep within the bamboo forest.
The civet, a nocturnal resident of the bamboo forest, emerges under the cover of darkness.
A civet stalks the forest floor, the nesting mother holds her breath, relying entirely on her camouflage to survive the encounter.
The incubation period is critical, requiring constant vigilance throughout the night.
As the incubation reaches day 20, the mother carefully preens, maintaining her camouflage while the female brown pheasant sits protectively on her nest of 5 eggs, ever watchful in the dense bamboo forest.
Day 25 of incubation. The female must remain vigilant, protecting her clutch from the many dangers of the forest floor.
Preening is essential for feather maintenance, ensuring the plumage remains waterproof and insulating during the incubation period.
Throughout the night, the brown pheasant remains vigilant, only pausing to gently rotate the 5 eggs.
Under the cloak of night, the male silver pheasant approaches the nest, offering protection to his mate.
It is day 30 of incubation. The female takes a brief respite, and the male silver pheasant steps in.
Signaling the start of a new generation, the chick begins to pip, slowly breaking the shell from the inside out.
Known as pipping, the chick uses its egg tooth to break the shell, a process that can take hours.
A new life emerges. This second chick joins its sibling, marking a crucial step in their journey.
By day 40, the young pheasants are growing quickly, relying on a diet rich in protein found right here on the forest floor.
The life cycle begins on the forest floor, where the hen protects her brood as they learn to find sustenance among the ferns and moss.
The marten, an agile predator of the forest, rapidly descends the ancient trunk in search of its next meal.
While the pheasant chicks forage for insects, they are unaware of the marten stalking nearby, highlighting the constant struggle for survival.
The hen provides vital shelter during the sudden downpour, keeping her chicks warm and dry beneath her wings.
As the rains intensify, the mother pheasant remains steadfast, offering the only shelter for her young against the dramatic weather.
Huddled beneath their mother, the chicks find warmth and security in the dense undergrowth.
High on the terraced hills, the young chicks bask in the sun, gathering strength for the journey ahead.
The pheasant chicks spend their early days diligently foraging, honing the skills necessary for survival in this vibrant habitat.
As the golden hour approaches, the mother brown pheasant diligently provides for her young.
As dusk settles over the mountain ridge, the mother stands vigilant, shielding her vulnerable brood from the cooling air.
Day 60. The pheasant chicks are now old enough to begin foraging for themselves, under the watchful eye of their mother.
Here we see the chick discovering a small insect, a vital source of protein for the growing bird.
As the rains lash the forest floor, the brown pheasant hen provides us a vital canopy.
By day 70, the chicks are almost fully grown, spending their days foraging for insects on the grassy slopes.
In the lush, rain-soaked hills, the brown pheasant diligently forages, her chicks staying close.
The female brown pheasant leads her chicks across the misty hillside, teaching them how to forage even in the steady rain.
The female brown pheasant is fiercely protective, shielding her young from unseen dangers amidst the rocky terrain.
Deep in the rocky hillside, the spectacled cobra awakes, posing a constant threat to the nesting birds.
Survival is a daily struggle. This cobra presents a lethal danger to the newly hatched chicks. The mother must defend them fiercely. The chicks rely entirely on their mother for warmth and safety during the vulnerable hours of darkness. Now 90 days old, these chicks are honing their survival skills, foraging for insects as the morning mist burns off.
After hatching, the pheasant chicks must quickly learn to find water in their rugged habitat.
The young pheasant chick instinctively scratches the earth, searching for the insects and seeds vital to its survival.
The young pheasant must navigate the treacherous, mossy slopes, ever watchful for predators hidden in the mist. The marten, an agile and elusive predator, navigates the treacherous rocky slopes with speed and precision. By day 100, this young brown pheasant is beginning to master the art of flight, vital for navigating the dense forest canopy.
The brown pheasant begins its daily dust bath, an important ritual for maintaining healthy plumage in this dry environment. The young pheasant engages in a vigorous two-trope.
To keep its plumage in top condition, the pheasant relies on frequent dust baths in the dry earth.
Survival on the frosty peaks is a constant challenge for the young pheasant, who cautiously searches for food.
This young brown tutus of raw. Here practices the cow to find its species.
The young brown pheasant spends its day foraging along the mossy paths, searching for insects and seeds among the rocks.
Day 150. The constant rain makes foraging difficult, yet the young female must push on through the saturated forest floor.
The male silver pheasant is rejected.
Here we see the distinct silver pheasant alongside the more subdued brown pheasant, both vital parts of this dense forest ecosystem.